Now that you understand how to conceptualize restoration interventions based on regeneration potential and site-specific needs, it's time to look more closely at the types of interventions you might consider. Restoration is not a one-size-fits-all process. Different ecosystems, forests, wetlands, croplands, rangelands, urban areas, grasslands, savannas, each require tailored approaches based on their ecological characteristics, land use history, and social contexts. In the next task, we will walk through a typology of major land and seascape types, highlighting practical intervention options, expected benefits, and important considerations for each.